Hi guys, so we are in this beautiful place called Samod Bargain Palace. So this place is located right outside Jaipur, and it's a very beautiful place. It's a very iconic property you have over here, and you have a lot of Hindi movies like Karan Arjun and Umrao Jan who have been shot over here. It's a very nice, quiet little place, perfect for a small getaway weekend if you want to get out of Delhi. Lots of chirping, lots of nature, lots of greenery around. And these are the Mughal gardens they have over here. So, very serene, very peaceful, quiet, beautiful. So I'll walk you towards the pool now. Here you go. So yeah, this pool is shot in Umrajan. So cheers.